All right, so this is day about, I don't know. I don't know what day it is. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I am keeping track, but off the forefront, we do not know. Point being, we got something sprouting in the dirt. So that's one, right? That's one. It's out of 100. That's one. It did rain. It's finally like a little bit sunny out, so we get to come outside. Okay. We got two. That one breaking the dirt. Let's see where else. Move a little bit slow so y'all can see with me. Oh, that's three. That one. Not that one, but that one. Oh shit. Up. Four. We got progress. Up. Five. Do we got some more? Don't get me wrong, I still gotta come and clean up out here. Do not get me wrong. Oh, right there. Y'all see it? Hold on. Let's get up on it. Let's get up on it. Y'all see it? Look at that. That's 6. You look like something, but I'm not gonna count you. I'm not sure.